Let me show you how to test the motor switch. Remove the top panel screws on the top panel. The front panel screws on the front panel. Tighten up the front panel so it won't fall down. Remove the holding screws in the control assembly and bend it back a little bit like this. Remove the belt on the drum. Disconnect the purple wire from the heating element and insulate it with electrical tape. Cover the blower hole with a piece of cardboard and tape it for protection. Remove the purple wire from the drum outlet thermostat and connect it to one of the ohms meter test probes. Connect the other test probe to the terminal L1 on the core plug. To run the motor direct, disconnect the brown-yellow wire from the door switch. Connect it to one of the alligator clips on the test cord and insulate it with electrical tape. Bend the controls assembly back and remove the control panel screws. And lay it down flat like this. Remove the red wire from contact number 2 on the start switch and attach it to the other test cord alligator clip. Insulate it with electrical tape. Set your ohm meter at RX 1K ohms. Plug the test cord into the wall outlet. If the reading is 0 ohms, the switch is okay. If the reading is infinity, you will need to check the L2 terminal next. Unplug the test cord from the wall outlet. Switch the alligator test cord from L1 to L2 and take a reading. Plug the test cord into the wall outlet again. The reading should be 0 ohms. If the reading is infinity, the motor is bad and you will need to replace the complete motor assembly. This is the way that the motor switch should read. When you read between purple and L1 and purple and L2, the reading should be 0 ohms on one and infinity on the other one. Doesn't matter which one. If the reading is infinity on both readings, the motor switch is bad.
For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy part from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.